Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch lovers. Today I'm going to show you how I disassemble and reassemble the fusee from a Swiss Verge movement. This fusee differs slightly from English fusees in the way it's secured here. It's held in place by a washer, whereas in English fusees, it's a small brass pin driven through the arbor that keeps the fusee fixed. After removing the fusee chain, I'll place the fusee in a holder. It's quite difficult to find a holder that only secures the bottom part of the fusee, so I found this smaller holder that does the job. I start by removing the stopwork cam, taking out the screw that holds it in place. Turning the fusee over, this is the part where I need to be really careful because only the bottom part should stay fixed in the holder. That way, when I tap the winding square, the bottom part comes loose from the top part. But it's best to just watch the process now. Here's the fusee end plate, which holds the entire fusee assembly in place. As you can see, we can already see the fusee ratchet, the spring, and the ratchet click. The fusee ratchet click is proving really hard to remove. I'm going to leave it in place. Since this is just an example, it's not worth spending time trying to get it out. In this case, since it's just an example, I'm going to go straight ahead with reassembly, and it hasn't even been cleaned or oiled. The process is the reverse, and then, using a staking tool, you need to secure the washer in place to fix the fusee. At the end, I put the stop work cam back on and check that the comb rotates smoothly. I hope this video is useful for you if you're planning to restore your Fusee pocket watch. This is a process that's highly sought after, since there's very little information out there about it. I hope it helps. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next ones.